Question number 7. If cot theta equals to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And in this second question, second bit they have given cot square, find cot square theta. So first cot theta equals to 7 by 8. Take one right angle triangle and mark theta as acute angle and give your own names ABC, vertices of a right angle triangle, and here cot theta equals to, so given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. The meaning of the cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. So here numerator is adjacent side and the denominator is opposite side. So mark those values. So adjacent side is 7 and opposite side is 8. Now as per the right angle triangle concept, we can write here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, and AC square equals to the value of AB square is 7 square plus BC square value is 8 square. So AC square equals to 49 plus 64. So AC square equals to 113 and AC equals to square root of 113. Now we got the hypotenuse is square root of 113. Now question number 1. They asked to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So identify the trigonometric ratio. In the place of numerator we have sin theta and in the place of denominator we have cos theta. First sin theta. So sin theta equals to, as we have learned before, sin theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 8 and hypotenuse is root 113, and cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 7 by root 113. Now the question is given here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. If you observe in the place of numerator and denominator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b we can write as a square minus b square. So that numerator we can write as 1 minus sin square theta by denominator also we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus 8 by root 113 whole square by 1 minus denominator is 7 by root 113 whole square. So if you simplify this part, so numerator 1 minus 64 by 113, denominator 1 minus 49 by 113. If you find here LCM, 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 minus 49 by 113. Both cancel. 113 minus 69 is 49. 113 minus 49 is 63. Therefore, the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equals to 49 by 63. If you see here, second one is directly we can find. They asked to find the value of cot square theta. So cot theta equals to given as 7 by 8. So cot square theta is 7 by 8 whole square, that is 49 by 64. So here question number 8, if 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A. So given question 3 cot A equals to 4. So from this what we can write here, cot A equals to 3 is in the form of multiplication. So one side is multiplication, second side it goes by division. So cot A equals to 4 by 3. Take one right angle triangle and give the names here ABC, and given cot A equals to 4 by 3, the meaning of the cot here, adjacent side by opposite side. So now adjacent side is 4 centimeters, opposite side is like 3 units they have given. So as per the right angle triangle concept, we can write AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to 4 square plus 3 square. Then AC square equals to 16 plus 9. Then AC equals to square root of 25. AC equals to, we can take here 5 units. Now from this, first we can take it here. Find the value of tan A and tan A of trigonometric ratio. Now AC equals to, this is 5 units we are taking. Then tan A equals to, the meaning of the tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. So that tan A can be taken here 3 by 4 and substitute 1 minus tan square A, LHS 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A is 1 by 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. That equals to 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. Now if you find the LCM, in the place of numerator 16 is the LCM, 16 minus 9 by denominator also 16 is the LCM, 16 plus 9. 16 minus 9 equals to 7 by, both cancel here, 16 plus 9 is 25. So that 7 by 25. In the second, next they ask you to find the value of cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square A. First write the value of cos A. Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse 4 by 5, and sin A equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Now substitute, instead of cos square A minus sin square A, place 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. 16 denominators are equal since both are the like fractions. So numerator directly we can subtract 16 minus 9 equals to 7 by 25. Therefore, we can conclude that 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A. So therefore, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sine square A. 8.1 last question. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and they have given PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeters and PQ equals to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So first case, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So take one right angle triangle. Give the names here. PQR. So better change the names here. PQR. So that easily you can identify. First condition they have mentioned E. PR plus QR equals to 25. PR plus QR equals to 25. In this, PR is the hypotenuse, QR is the side, and one more they have given PQ equals to 5 centimeters they have mentioned. And what we don't know here, QR we don't know. So let QR can be taken x centimeters. So let QR equals to x centimeters, then PR plus x equals to 25, then PR equals to 25 minus x. So instead of PR place, we can replace with now 25 minus x. Now PQR is a right angle triangle. As per the Pythagorean concept, we can take the condition PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square equals to, instead of PR place, replace with 25 minus x whole square equals to PQ square is 5 centimeters, 5 square, and QR equals to x square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square form. So a minus b whole square is, so here it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So 25 whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b square equals to 25 plus x square. Both sides x square get cancelled. 25 whole square is 625 minus 50x equals to 25. So 625 you can transpose that side. Minus 50x equals to 25 minus 625 minus 50x equals to minus 600. Minus minus get cancelled. X equals to 600 by 50. 0 0 cancel. X equals to 5 will go here 12 times. So 12. X means what here? QR we got as 12 centimeters. Therefore, QR equals to 12 centimeters. Then PR equals to 25 minus 12, that equals to 13 centimeters. Now we got the values. PR equals to 13 centimeters. Sorry, PR equals to QR equals to 12 centimeters and PR equals to 13 centimeters. What the values they ask you to find in this? Sin P, cos P and tan P. So sin P. So sin P. So sin P is here. Sin theta equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. Cos P equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse 5 by 13 centimeters, and tan P equals to opposite side by adjacent side 12 by 5.